If you ever wanted to know how to get rid of objects from photos using Photoshop, this video is going to show you how. So it's very simple. In this example here, we've got quite a nice picture of some mountains in Slovenia. And I like this boat in the middle, but there's this boat on the edge and it's kind of distracting. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the selection tool and choose the lasso tool. And I just want to select around the object that I want to remove. So I'm just roughly going around the boat and the people in the boat. Now with this, it's not just the boat, you can see there's a reflection in the water below, so you also have to select the area below. If you make a mistake with the selection and you want to add some more selection, you press the Shift key and a little plus sign comes next to the selection tool and you can just add the bit that you want to add. That's a bit too much. So the opposite is to hit the Alt key. Then next to the tool becomes a minus sign and then you can just make the thing that you select is then deselected. So from here we've got our selection. All you do is hit the delete key on your keyboard and the content aware panel opens up. All you need is just to leave these settings on their default, click OK, and as if by magic the boat has disappeared. So we just go up to deselect. As you can see, the boat has completely disappeared. We could leave it at that, but I just want to tidy up the wake of the boat. So you see here there's the wake, but there's no boat, so that's looking a bit odd. So what I'm going to do, go back to the lasso tool, just select this area of the wake, and again hit the delete key, hit the enter key or OK, deselect, and now you have a perfect picture without any distractions, and that's how to delete something in Photoshop. If you like this video, click the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and thank you for watching the video.